Are engagement pictures worth it? If you're like most couples who recently got engaged, you're sharing photos within hours or even minutes of your actual proposal on social media. So why take the time or spend the money putting together a separate photo engagement session when you've already told everybody? Stay tuned because we're going to be answering that question next. Hey, what's up? It's John Cook with Real Epic Clicks. And on this channel, we help couples build strong, meaningful relationships through your photography and tutorials just like this one. Today, we're going to tackle the question of whether engagement pictures are worth it or not. And to better understand the answer to that, we need to go back in time. Time warp. See, back in September of 1851, the first ever issue of the New York Times included a wedding announcement. And shortly afterwards, issues started to include formal portrait of couples with those announcements. So engagements have long been a way of keeping tabs on other people. But today it's more about branding your wedding as an event. So we know engaged couples getting their photos taken isn't new. It's been around for decades. And these types of photos fall into two categories: pictures of the actual proposal, bended at the knee and all, or more commonly today, staged photos taken sometime during the actual engagement itself. So according to the Knot publication, engagement photos have become so popular with couples now that as of this video, over 90% of couples announce their engagement moment on social media. Okay, it seems almost everyone is excited about sharing their engagement photos, but are they worth it to take after the proposal and spend your money on? I'm going to answer that question next. But to start, we need to understand who should get them and why. And at the end of this video, I'll share with you who shouldn't be taking engagement photos. So why are engagement pictures worth it? The basic answer conveniently comes from other brides-to-be during a survey by the Knot publication. And the number one reason is that you get to know your wedding photographer and see actual pictures of you that are done before your wedding. With such an important day that only happens once in your life, shouldn't you be focusing on the wedding and that be the only thing on your mind? Okay, so the majority of the other reasons also tie into the saying that practice makes perfect. So by doing a formal engagement photo session with your photographer, you'll get to practice your makeup and hair, and heck, you could even hire your artist, your makeup artist, or just do it yourself. You get to practice your posing. You get to practice smiling in front of the camera. All this practice will be on a less nervous day than your actual wedding. And to top it off, you'll get pictures for your wedding website, social media, and even to show off at your bridal party, which is really cool. Going beyond the basic reasons, some couples feel it's more about a chance to emotionally connect with their partner. For example, my clients have felt it was worth it because it gave them a chance to start making their wedding planning feel like it's real, and it helped them rekindle the relationship. Others felt like it gave them a chance to reconnect with each other and remember why they fell in love to begin with. And you know what? It's a perfect time to make it a date night or a date day, if you want to call it that. So who are engagement photos not for? If you've already worked with your photographer and have recent portraits, then maybe it's not for you. Or if you've hired a professional photographer for your proposal and you loved your proposal photos so much and how they turned out. So ultimately, the answer is a resounding yes, that your engagement photos are worth it for most couples because you get to know your photographer, you get to practice being photographed, and on top of that, reconnect with your partner.